In the realm of container technology, Docker and Kubernetes are frequently mentioned. You may wonder which one is better. However, the question is usually not which is better but rather how to make the most of both. As a platform for running and managing containers from multiple container runtimes, Kubernetes is different from Docker, which is a container runtime. Kubernetes is a system for managing containerized applications at scale, while Docker is a set of software development tools for building, sharing, and executing individual containers. Consider containers to be microservices packaged in a standardized manner that includes all required dependencies and application code. Docker is the tool used to create these containers. Containers can run on a variety of platforms, including laptops, the cloud, local servers, and even edge devices. A modern application has numerous containers, and Kubernetes is responsible for managing them in production. Because containers are easy to duplicate, applications can auto-scale, meaning they can adjust their processing capacity based on user demand. Docker is a great help for developing modern applications. The container orchestration tool Docker Swarm can manage a few containers deployed in a production environment. Kubernetes helps alleviate some of the growing pains that standalone Docker may experience when a system expands and requires the addition of numerous networked containers. Docker and Kubernetes are complementary technologies. Although they differ in their strengths, both Docker Swarm and Kubernetes are production-grade container orchestration platforms. Docker Swarm is the easiest orchestrator to set up and manage, so it may be an appropriate option for a company that is new to using containers in production. However, Kubernetes is the best option for orchestrating large distributed applications with hundreds of interconnected microservices, including databases, secrets, and external dependencies. If you are still in doubt on which one to choose, or if you need any assistance, contact us at info@uheroglobal.com. Or visit us at uheroglobal.com for more information.